trash heaps near South Asian megacities like New Delhi, Dhaka, and Lahore are threatening the climate. The piles of garbage are contributing to some of the world's strongest, most persistent greenhouse gas emissions observed by satellite. The landfills are leaking methane, a planet-wrecking gas that is generated when organic material like food scraps decompose in the absence of oxygen. Near India's capital of New Delhi, the Gazipur landfill was spewing methane at a rate of 2.17 metric tons an hour when a satellite from emissions monitoring firm GHGSat passed overhead. If that emissions rate was sustained over a year, the leak would have the same short-term climate impact as the annual emissions from about 350,000 US cars. Waste experts say the key to avoiding methane emissions from dumps is to separate organic material from other waste before it enters a landfill. One of the simplest solutions is to compost food scraps. That approach is working in the southern Indian state of Kerala, where authorities are helping local municipalities and villages implement decentralized solid waste management systems that promote composting at household levels. South Korea also successfully banned food from landfills and now recycles more than 90% of its food. New technology is also being used to separate mixed waste streams. Ontario-based Energia has developed a system that functions a bit like a giant garlic crusher with a metal piston that squeezes out more than 90% wet organic material. The paste is then placed into an anaerobic digester where microbes break it down and methane is captured. As the world grapples with how to balance shared climate goals against the backdrop of historical emissions that generated tremendous wealth and prosperity for rich Western countries, many developing nations are still playing catch-up and prioritizing things like food security and basic services. But experts say limiting the climate impact of waste is as much about behavior than it is access to technology, and significant progress can be made even with limited resources.